Happy month of May, everyone. This is a picture perfect example of everything I teach, everything I do, showing you the accuracy of the method I developed in 2008, method I taught to traders from beginner to hedge fund trader in US and abroad. Traders who trade anything and everything as long as it has price, from S&P to stocks to options to Forex. This is a trade in front of you. This particular trade, 2 points later. Knowledgeable trader understands to protect his profits. Why oh why? What in the world am I referring to? Simple. This was Fibonacci Reversal Zone I warned you about this morning. Massive bullish fake out at the open. Absolutely not random. Picture perfect reminder. If you see Fibonacci reversal zone in front of you, if you understand the accuracy of these levels as price reverses 80% from this level, never be tempted to buy into. This morning's spectacular market fake out from this level. As we discussed with students well before trading room open, it was absolutely expected. We're dealing with historical highs. We're dealing with overextended institutional rally that's taking a massive pause from May 25th. This is another long trade. This long trade reached Fibonacci reversal zone. So take a look at what played out in the trading room this month. As every single trade you see in front of you, exact same strategy rules apply to any instrument, any time frame. Every single student has different personal financial risk management. Every single student learns exact same thing in bootcamp, where you will listen to traders who trade options, who trade stocks, who trade anything they choose. Some of the students had done 10 bootcamps. This is a bootcamp number 11 in almost 7 years of website. Bootcamp plays out only a couple of times per year. Course is ongoing unless I'm on sabbatical, unless I'm traveling. I teach exact same formula to beginner traders as I teach to hedge fund traders. What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. What you witnessed on S&P instantly as this trade reached Fibonacci reversal zone, as knowledgeable trader understands the danger of this level, as this is not your junky little chart, this is your guiding light hourly. This is the chart you use for entries on any chart you will choose. If you choose to trade 1 minute chart, good luck on that one. If you choose to trade 5, 7, 11, 15, 20, 30-minute charts, wise thing to do. Not one. Knowing what chart to trade remains the key. Understanding Fibonacci timing will certainly help in your trading. And if you witnessed reversal zone on S&P instantly, I also would like to remind to you what oil had done despite all the OPEC announcements of cutting oil production. Oil collapsed 400 points. As I warned you, OPEC does not mean a thing. As you saw also in the trading room on April 12th, one of the most bullish news in years, and I said, who cares about bullish news? Fibonacci reversal zone in front of you. Don't be silly. Don't pay attention to the news unless you respected news only due to volatility. Understand, knowledge is power. And remember, if investing based on the news meant something, everyone would be Bill Gates. If investing on indicators meant something, everyone would be Warren Buffett. Why not pay attention to the price? As price tells you all you need to know. It's all in front of you. The strength, the weakness, the power, where to enter, where to exit, the volume, all in front of you. You'll be amazed how much you can see. But if you choose to trade not 3-minute chart, if you trade gold, formula will remain the same. However, risk management will be very, very different. Gold collapsed from reversal zone as expected. Many points. From 1291 level present in front of you for years since 2016 in a play right now. No surprise, as you witnessing instantly on S&P. You don't need to wait weeks, you don't need to wait months. Identical thing as oil had done, as gold had done, is S&P doing in front of you this morning. By the time you come to reversal zone, you are in significant profit. And if you ever disrespect reversal zone, take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, number 9. Entering into it, never an option. And that's what I show to you each and every day in the trading room. The accuracy of the method that applies to any instrument, any time frame. The focus of a bootcamp. So again, my favorite part of the website is where students share what they trade. You can click on the testimonies. One of my favorite testimonies is a testimony of a student who just started the course a few weeks ago. I hope Ed will be speaking in a bootcamp and what he already accomplished after starting the course, 3rd week in May. Ed is an options trader, been trying in trading for 8 years. My favorite part of a bootcamp when graduates of the course and students share what they've done. We're down to 6 spaces only. As a new student, you are not paying a penny extra, as bootcamp included in the course fee. I highly encourage you to review everything under Learn, and remember, bootcamp included in the course fee for group sessions and private mentoring. The difference between private mentoring and group sessions: in private mentoring, I concentrate on the instrument of your choice and your technical execution. I set up NinjaTrader 7 for you. And please remember, 1 day in a bootcamp equivalent to 1 week in the course. In the regular course, class only twice a week. In a bootcamp, we're meeting 3 to 4 hours per day. So do the math. More than likely, if you will do bootcamp, you will never have to come back for additional 6 weeks in group course or additional 14 weeks in private mentoring, as most students tell me they have education overdose. Every single student is different. From beginner to hedge fund trader will be in bootcamp. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. So ladies and gentlemen, please remember, I came back to the trading room in the middle of May. This was trade number 14 this morning. This trade number 14 reached all Fibonacci targets. Every single trade, different stop, different target. What you trade, absolutely up to you. Agree? As you saw, reversal zone, not to be ignored, as this is what price had done from reversal zone. This price already pulled back for 1 point. Reminding you, doesn't matter if you trade gold, doesn't matter if you trade Apple or Euro or Pound. Do not enter into it. By the time you come near this level, you are in profit. That pure and that simple. Price action remains the same everywhere. So let's keep our fingers crossed. The price will crush and burn once again from this Fibonacci reversal zone. Here's one of my favorite examples, night of the election. My favorite night of 2016. Why oh why? Price reminded you instantly on that marvelous night. It did not matter who won. It did not matter if it's Trump or Hillary. You know where reversal zone is? Rules are met. You buying this market. You know where reversal zone is? You did not short this market as Soros did. You're smarter than some top fund managers in US. Here's my favorite other example. As you probably know and heard about Valiant. Do you remember Aikman's story? Do you remember the power of reversal zone on Valiant? He is down $4 billion, as I wrote articles against his investment, as it was breaking my heart to see. You have to be very, very silly to enter into reversal zone. As the only thing I posted on all the social media sites, on my LinkedIn profile, Valiant at reversal zone. Don't be silly. I don't care what the fundamentals are. All I know that Fibonacci will override any news. Valiant collapsed 90% since the time I wrote that article in October 2015. So, you know Fibonacci? You trade better than top fund managers in US. That collecting profits substantially because Aikman still made millions of dollars despite his fund being down $4 billion. And he still lives in a $100 million apartment in New York. What you trade, absolutely up to you. Aikman can afford to gamble, can you? As you witnessed this morning, every tick matters, as you witnessed each and every time. Shorting into institutional support, not an option. And this is what we've done this morning, as knowledgeable trader understands. Buy as low as possible. Do not short into institutional support. Exit your trade when reversal zone is reached. Very different strategy on Valiant. Identical formula. Identical level on S&P this morning. So I highly encourage you to review the information on the website and never hesitate to contact me. All the information posted on the website on every single page. info@fibinstitute.com and 925-257-4298.